WinRAR is a shareware file archiver and data compression utility. It can create archived files in zip or proprietary RAR format, and unpack many archive file formats. WinRAR runs under Microsoft Windows in GUI mode. There are command line versions, called RAR, and UNRAR, available for Mac OS X, Linux, FreeBSD, Windows Console Mode, and MS-DOS. Overview. Starting with version 5, a new archive format, RAR5, is supported, incompatible with the previous one, but also using file extension RAR. With the introduction of RAR5, the older format is referred to as RAR4. Newer WinRAR versions can still open and create RAR4 archives, but older versions do not support RAR5 archives. Both the numerous features are removed from RAR5, and by default RAR5 is slower than RAR4. The software is distributed as a shareware and anyone may use it during a test period of 40 days at no charge. While archiving with the RAR format is proprietary, RARLabs suppliers copyrighted freeware the source code of the UNRAR unpacker, with a license allowing it to be used in any software, thus enabling others to produce software capable of unpacking, but not creating, RAR archives. Features: pack or validate RAR and zip archives. Unpack ACE, ARJ, BZ2, CAB, EXE, GZ, ISO, JAR, LZH, RAR, TAR, UE, XZ, Z, ZIP, ZIPX, and 7Z archives. Multi-threaded compression, the ability to create self-extracting and multi-volume archives. Data redundancy is provided in the form of recovery records and recovery volumes, allowing reconstruction of damaged archives. Support for advanced NTFS file system options, Unicode in file names. Archive encryption using AES with a 256-bit key. There was a portable version of WinRAR called WinRAR Unplugged, which did not require installation or create dependencies on the host computer. Languages: as of July 2014, WinRAR is available in 44 languages: Arabic, Armenian, Belarusian, Bulgarian, Catalan, Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Estonian, Finnish, French, Galician, Georgian, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Lithuanian, Norwegian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Portuguese Brazilian, Romanian, Russian, Serbian Cyrillic, Sinhala, Slovak, Slovenian, Spanish, Swedish, Thai, Turkish, Turkmen, Ukrainian and Vietnamese. Version history: Command Line RAR and UNRAR were first released in autumn 1993. Early development version WinRAR 1.54b was released in 1995 as 16-bit Windows 3X application. Version 2.00 was released on September 6, 1996. Since version 3.00, the new RAR3 archive format is implemented. The new compressed archives cannot be managed by old versions of WinRAR. Since version 3.50, WinRAR adds support for interface skins and themes and support Windows XP x64. Since version 3.60, WinRAR includes a multi-threaded version of the compression algorithm, which improves compression speed on systems with multiple, dual-core, or hyper-threading-enabled CPUs. Since version 3.70, WinRAR features support for Windows Vista. Since version 3.80, support for zip archives, which contain Unicode file names in UTF-8. Since version 3.90, WinRAR adds support Windows x64 natively and support Windows 7. Also it enhanced support for multi-threading. Version 4.00 speeds up decompression by up to 30%. Windows 98, Windows ME, and Windows NT are no longer supported. The minimum Windows version required is Windows 2000. Since version 4.10, WinRAR removes all zip limitations, now allowing unlimited number of files and archive size. WinRAR now also allows to create multi-volume zip files. Zip archives now include Unicode file names. Since version 4.20, compression speed in SMP mode has been increased significantly, but this improvement was made at the expense of increased memory usage. Zip compression now uses SMP as well. The default SMP mode cannot handle text. Text compression is significantly worse unless additional switches are used. Also, Windows 2000 compatibility was removed. Since version 5.00, the new RAR5 archive format is implemented. The new compressed archives cannot be managed by old versions of WinRAR. This new format features a maximum 1 GB dictionary, better multi-core support, it removes multimedia, text and titanium binaries, special compression algorithms. OS supported, WinRAR up to v5x, Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8. WinRAR up to v4.11 Windows 2000. WinRAR up to v3.93 Windows 95, 98, ME, NT. Easter eggs. In About WinRAR help menu, clicking on the WinRAR logo makes the ocean surf and waves move. Mouse clicking with shift pressed on the logo causes the appearance of a sailboat above the R button which is sailing around in the water. In the same dialog, pressing the book icon causes it to jump like a ball until it rests, and with each bounce, the Windows exclamation sound can be heard. Colored comments can be added to WinRAR archives. See also, comparison of file archivers, references. Further reading, data compression. 2007. doi, 10.100079-1-84628-603-2. ISBN A978-1-84628-602-5. Fellows, G. WinRAR temporary folder artifacts. Digital Investigation 7, 9 €8 doi, 10.1016/J. Dean. 2009.12.001 Yo, GSW. FUN, RCW on the security of the WinRAR encryption feature. International Journal of Information Security 5, 115 doi, 10.1007 per second 10207-006-0086-3 Metz, Cade. File compression beyond zip. PC Magazine 23, p52 €52. ISNA 0888-8507 QIN, JC. By ZY Design of New Format for Mass Data Compression. The Journal of China Universities of Posts and Telecommunications 18, 121 doi, 10.1016 per second 1005-8885, 10, 60037-4. Spanbauer, Scott. Forget Napster, Usenet is where the files are. PC World 18, p254. ISNA 0737-8939 Alon, Danny. Compression apps do more than shrink files. PC World 25, p64 €64. ISNA 0737-8939 Sanwa Eskuxart, J. Bartlett Ross, P. Solar Copyright Pariter, J. Measurement-based analysis of one-click file hosting services. Journal of Network and Systems Management 20, 276 doi, 10.1007 per second 10922-011-9202-4. Jovanova, B. Preda, M. Preta, FOMPEG4 Par 25. A graphics compression framework for XML-based scene graph formats. Signal processing, image communication 24, 101 doi, 10.1016/J image. 2008.10.011 Bar, KC. Arsanovia, K. Energy-aware lossless data compression. ACM transactions on computer systems 24, 250 doi, 10.1145/1,151,690.1151692. External links, WinRAR website, RARLab main website, list of WinRAR versions.